Families often argue over houses, land, or even jewelry. But imagine discovering old paper share certificates in a locker and realizing they're worth nearly 6 crore. Welcome to Crystal Peak Wealth Recovery Series. What followed wasn't just paperwork, it was a 3-generation family dispute. And today we'll share how Crystal Peak Wealth helped resolve it. Joining me is Ayusha Agarwal, who personally guided this case. Ayusha, thank you for being here.
Happy to be here. And yes, this case was one of the most challenging ones, not just financially but also emotionally.
Tell us how it began.
These certificates originally belonged to the family's great-grandfather. Over time, as he passed away and later his children, the papers were informally passed from one generation to another. By the time the case reached us, 3 generations were involved: siblings, cousins, and even grandchildren, each with their own view of what was rightfully theirs.
That must have been incredibly complex.
Very much so. The shares were still in physical form, never dematerialized, and the ownership had never been formally transferred. Without clear succession documents, the dispute became complicated very quickly. Our first step was to establish the rightful ownership. We worked with legal advisors to reconstruct the succession line from the great-grandfather downwards. That meant affidavits, succession certificates, and in some cases, no objection letters from relatives who weren't claiming their share.
And this wasn't just about paperwork, right?
Exactly. It was also about the relationships. We had to mediate between family members, making sure everybody felt heard. Without that sensitivity, this could easily have gone into years of litigation. Instead, we helped them find a resolution outside the court.
What happened once ownership was settled?
Once ownership was clarified, we moved to dematerialization, converting paper certificates into electronic form. Only then could the shares be transferred into a modern demat account. Along with the shares, there were lakhs in unclaimed dividends. By the end, the family secured not only 6 crores in shares, but also years of unpaid income.
So this was more than just a financial recovery. It was the resolution of a generational conflict.
Absolutely. And that's what makes cases like this so meaningful. It's not just about the numbers. It's about families, emotions, and turning forgotten wealth into a shared legacy.
The lesson here is clear. Old share certificates are more than just paper. They can carry financial and emotional weight across generations. And with the right expertise, even the most complex disputes can be resolved. If your family has old investments lying untouched, don't assume they are worthless. At Crystal Peak Wealth, we have seen time and again how valuable they can be. Download our Family Legacy Recovery Guide, link in the description, and take the first step to protecting your family's legacy.